Welcome to this video. I'm going to answer the question, is vidIQ Premium worth it? Before we start, if you don't have a vidIQ account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to unlock premium vidIQ features for only $1 for your first month. It's the easiest way to test vidIQ on your own YouTube channel and follow this tutorial step by step. Alright, so first up, as you can see here, I'm currently using Max right here. So the features that makes it worth it, okay, or makes the vidIQ Premium worth it, is that you can go ahead and use the unlimited keyword tool. So just go ahead over to research right here and go to keywords. And as you can see, if you're just using the free ones, you'll be able to see only 3 results right here. Okay. And upgrading unlocks deep search volumes, just this one, competitive scaling, and long tail query analysis to spot exact phrases people are typing. You could also go to videos right here in channels, okay, to view outlier sorting. As you can see, these ones are outliers. This feature allows you to view a competitor's channel filtered by views per hour. It isolates specific video concepts that are vastly outperforming their baseline channel average, revealing viral topics you can target. You also have the AI channel coach. So just go ahead over to the left panel and find coaching right here. Unlike generic chatbots, the integrated vidIQ AI coach references your actual channel KPI data to suggest hyper-targeted title scripts and custom content plans. All right, so who is the pro plan for? While channels approaching consistency but not yet generating steady revenue, you gotta use this one. And why is it worth it? For around $10 a month, you remove all search limits on the keyword engine and gain enhanced competitor tracking slots. You could also generate as many thumbnails, as many tags, as many descriptions, as many titles as you want. Just make sure that you have at least credits right here. Okay? And by the way, as per credits, as you can see here, for Max users, you'll have 6,000 credits. And there you have it. If you're just using YouTube or vidIQ out of a hobby, okay, do not buy premium. But if your channel relies 100% on shorts feed or homepage recommendations rather than search SEO or model trends, the deep keyword tracking databases will not offer a strong return on your investment. So this is not for you. All right, so I hope that answers the question on, is vidIQ Premium worth it? I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.